Hello everyone. Welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we are going to learn about gene regulation, one of the most important concepts in molecular biology and genetics. Every cell in the human body contains almost the same DNA. However, liver cells, muscle cells, nerve cells, and skin cells all have different structures and functions. This is because different genes are turned on or turned off in different types of cells. Gene regulation is the process by which a cell controls when, where, and how much a gene is expressed. In simple terms, it determines whether a gene is active or inactive, ensuring that proteins are produced only when they are needed. Gene expression occurs in two main steps: transcription, where DNA is copied into messenger RNA, and translation, where the mRNA is used to produce a protein. Gene regulation can control either or both of these steps. The most common level of gene regulation occurs during transcription. Special proteins called transcription factors bind to specific DNA sequences and either activate or repress gene expression. These proteins work together with regulatory DNA elements such as promoters, enhancers, and silencers to control gene activity. In prokaryotes, such as bacteria, genes are often organized into operons. A well-known example is the lac operon, which is activated only when lactose is present and glucose is scarce. This allows bacteria to conserve energy by producing enzymes only when they are needed. In eukaryotic cells, gene regulation is more complex. DNA is wrapped around proteins called histones to form chromatin. Chemical modifications such as DNA methylation and histone acetylation can change how tightly DNA is packed, making genes either accessible or inaccessible for transcription. Another important level of regulation occurs after transcription. Messenger RNA can be processed, transported, or degraded before it is translated into protein. Small RNA molecules, such as microRNAs, can also prevent protein production by blocking or destroying specific mRNA molecules. Gene regulation is essential for growth, development, cell differentiation, and adaptation to environmental changes. It helps cells respond to signals, maintain normal body functions, and conserve energy by producing proteins only when required. Errors in gene regulation can lead to serious diseases, including cancer, diabetes, autoimmune disorders, and many genetic conditions. Understanding gene regulation is therefore essential in medicine, biotechnology, genetics, and modern biomedical research. In summary, gene regulation is the process that controls gene expression by determining when, where, and how much a gene is expressed. It ensures that the right proteins are produced in the right cells at the right time, making it one of the key mechanisms that supports life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more biology lessons.